Are you looking for the best golf stand bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best golf stand bags that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Izzo Ultra Light Stand Bag. The Amazon Basics Golf Travel Bag is a soft-sided, foldable bag designed to make transporting a set of golf clubs easy and convenient. The bag is made of durable, waterproof, 1600D nylon fabric and features thick padding all around to protect stored clubs. Multiple zippered compartments provide ample storage space for extra gear, while a hard P base and smooth rolling wheels make transport effortless. The bag measures 57.1 by 15.2 by 16.3 inches and is backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Comes with a storage bag for easy packing. At number 2, CHAMPKEY Lightweight Golf Stand Bag. Are you looking for a high-quality, durable golf bag? Look no further than the premium polyester material golf bag. This bag is made of 900D premium polyester material, which is wear and tear resistant, ensuring that your bag will last for years to come. The lightweight design is perfect for carrying around the course, and the 3-way dividers offer plenty of space for your clubs. The advanced aluminum alloy bracket is sturdy and can hold your clubs securely. The backpack-style shoulder strap is comfortable and makes it easy to carry your bag around. And if you're not satisfied with the bag, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So why wait? Order your premium polyester material golf bag today. At number 3, Yovital Golf Stand Bag. The 14-way top with lift assist handle is a great feature that allows you to easily access and maneuver your clubs. The 9 front-facing pockets provide plenty of space for all of your golfing needs. The stable kickstand is extremely helpful and makes it easy to carry your bag around the course. The extraordinary durability of this bag is amazing and it looks great too. 5. The easy carry system is extremely comfortable and makes it easy to transport your bag. Overall, this is an amazing golf bag that is perfect for any level of golfer. It is packed with features that make it easy to use and durable. If you are in the market for a new golf bag, this is the one you want. At number 4, Sunday Golf Stand Bag. The Sunday Golf Bag is the perfect bag for a quick round of golf or for practicing at the driving range. It is lightweight and comes with a built-in carry handle and strap for your convenience. The valuables pocket is lined with velour to keep your belongings safe, and the bag also comes with a Sunday golf guarantee. We absolutely love this bag. It's perfect for an executive course or Sunday round of golf. The bag is lightweight and has a convenient carry handle and strap. The valuables pocket is lined with velour to keep your belongings safe. We also appreciate the Sunday golf guarantee. If you are looking for a lightweight Sunday stand bag that is perfect for a quick round of golf, then we highly recommend the Sunday Golf Bag. At number 5, Titleist Players Stand Bag. If you're looking for an extremely light and durable golf bag, the Callaway Hyperlite 3 Plus is a great option. It weighs less than 3 pounds and is made of carbon fiber legs for excellent strength and weight ratio. The bag is also made of a lightweight, durable ripstop material and features an ultra-lightweight, player-preferred 4-way top cuff. Additionally, there are exterior mesh water bottle and rangefinder pockets, and the bag also comes with a tour-inspired rain hood. Overall, the Callaway Hyperlite 3 Plus is a great choice for those looking for a high-quality, lightweight golf bag. At number 6, Frogger Golf Function Stand Bag. Are you looking for a lightweight, functional and stylish golf bag? Look no further than the Sunday Carry Bag with Stand. This bag is perfect for those who want to take a few clubs to the range or play a quick round of golf. The large capacity of the bag allows you to carry all of your essentials, including a smaller zipper pocket for your valuables, a mesh pocket for balls and tees, and a cool bag for water or beer. The functional design of the bag includes 2-way dividers that offer enough space to accommodate your clubs, as well as a built-in carry handle and a detachable shoulder strap for extra comfort. The bag is made from high-quality waterproof material, and the stand legs are well made and work well. The bag also includes a rain cover to protect your clubs from the elements. If you are looking for a lightweight, functional and stylish golf bag, the Sunday Carry Bag with Stand is the perfect choice for you. At number 7, Craftsman Golf Bag. Are you looking for a lightweight and functional Sunday Carry Bag? Look no further than the 2.4-pound lightweight Sunday Carry Bag with Stand from. This bag is perfect for taking a few clubs to the range, a par 3 course, or walking a quick hole. The bag features multiple pockets, including a smaller zipper pocket for valuables, a mesh pocket for balls, tees and etc., and a cool bag for water or beer. The bag also features a two-way divider system that offers enough space to accommodate your golf clubs. Additionally, the bag has a built-in carry handle and comes with a detachable shoulder strap for extra comfort. There is also a loop for your towel, rangefinder, or other accessory that has a hook. The bag is made from high-quality waterproof material and the stand legs are well made and work well. The bag also comes with a rain cover to protect your clubs from the elements. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.